Today we're breaking down micronutrients, what they are, why your body needs them, and how they keep you healthy. So what exactly are micronutrients? Micronutrients are nutrients that we consume in small quantities, nutrients that we measure in milligrams, not grams. But even though the amounts are small, they're still needed for survival and for our bodies to function properly. Micronutrients break down into two categories, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic, while minerals are inorganic. Organic means the nutrient is produced by the plant or animals that we eat. Inorganic means it can't be produced by a plant or animal. It comes straight from the earth. Plants absorb minerals from the soil, and animals get minerals by eating plants or other animals. When looking at things from a chemistry standpoint, all vitamins are compounds, while all minerals are elements. It's also worth mentioning that micronutrients do not contain any calories, so they don't provide us with any energy. So what about water? Water is neither a macronutrient nor micronutrient. It's not a macronutrient because it has no calories, and it's not considered a micronutrient because we consume it in large quantities. Water is a nutrient, but it falls into its own category. And what about oxygen? Oxygen we also need to survive, but it is also not a macronutrient. In fact, oxygen is not considered a nutrient at all. For something to count as a nutrient, macro, micro, or water, it has to be consumed through eating or drinking. Oxygen is inhaled, so it doesn't qualify as a nutrient. So what do micronutrients actually do? Micronutrients are responsible for allowing thousands of chemical reactions to happen inside your body. That includes converting the food you eat into usable energy, supporting muscle contractions, allowing nerves to send signals, supporting your immune system, producing hormones, and helping red blood cells carry oxygen throughout your body, along with many other functions essential to keeping you alive. There are 13 essential vitamins and 16 essential minerals. Let's start with vitamins. Vitamin A helps your eyes detect light and supports your immune system. Vitamin D helps your intestines absorb calcium so your body can build and maintain bone. Vitamin E helps protect your cell membranes from getting damaged. Vitamin K helps activate the proteins that stop bleeding when you're injured. Vitamin C helps make collagen, the protein that gives structure to your skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Thiamine helps enzymes convert the carbohydrates you eat into usable energy, known as ATP. Vitamin B6 helps your body process amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, and helps make neurotransmitters. Folate, also known as B9, helps make DNA, which matters a lot when your cells divide. B12 helps maintain your nerve cells and supports normal red blood cell formation. Riboflavin helps enzymes turn food into usable energy. Niacin helps your body use the macronutrients you eat. Pantothenic acid helps produce hormones. And biotin helps enzymes break down macronutrients. Now let's move to minerals. Calcium provides structure to your bones and allows your muscles to contract. Magnesium helps hundreds of enzymes function, including the ones involved in energy production and muscle relaxation. Iron is part of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carry oxygen. Zinc helps your immune cells work and helps build new proteins and DNA. Copper helps your body move and use iron properly to make red blood cells. Sulfur is needed to form certain proteins. Iodine is used by the thyroid to make hormones that control your metabolism. Selenium helps antioxidant enzymes work and supports thyroid hormone function. Phosphorus helps build bones and teeth and also helps make DNA. Chloride helps keep your body's fluids balanced and is needed to make stomach acid for digestion. Manganese helps with bone formation. Chromium helps insulin move glucose into your cells. Molybdenum helps enzymes break down various substances in your body. Sodium controls fluid balance along with nerve and muscle function. Potassium supports muscle, nerve, and heart function. And fluoride strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities. So how much of each micronutrient should you actually be consuming? With 29 essential micronutrients total, that's far too many to efficiently track day to day. And remember, micronutrients only need to be consumed in small quantities anyway. Instead of tracking each individual micronutrient, it is recommended that you simply eat a well-balanced diet consisting of all 5 food groups, which include fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. If you eat a well-balanced diet, you don't need to track your micronutrients or worry about not getting enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.